Aries, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for March 16 to 31, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Aries. What's up? March 16 to 31. Your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessings, money, career, finances, your career, and then your health and your love life. Bottom of the deck is the Wheel of Fortune. Uy, energy shift ito. Parang meron kang bagong i-explore. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, nakumbinsi kayo eh. Nakumbinsi kayo na may baguhin sa situation nyo. This can be a change of career, change of your business, or project. It's like you are reaching out sa isang tao na magbibigay sa'yo ng guidance. So, parang inspired action to. Champion of Swords. I think you're going to make some changes very fast. Yung parang mabilis ang pagbabago na parang ano siya, out of whim, yung parang biglaan talaga, na okay, sige, subukan natin, okay, gawin natin, ganon. So, overall energy is the World. Yung iba pwedeng biglaan, may plano kayo na mag-abroad, o kaya, hindi nyo inaasahan, bigla kayong na-approve para sa visa ninyo, no? This can also mean an achievement. So, ngayong second half ng March, meron kang achievements pagdating sa career mo or anything na pinupurso mo or you've been wanting to experience. Ano to? 11th house. Related to your hopes, your goals, your dreams. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be recognized. Maaring merong certain level of fame. Kayo ay mas makikilala, mas maraming tao na gustong mapalapit sa inyo. Your challenge is the Six of Swords. So, the Six of Swords is about going to a new direction. Meron kasi itong iniiwasan eh. So, I think, kung ano man yung na-realize mo na nagbo-block sa'yo or parang pumipigil sa'yo na i-pursue or gawin na yung gusto mo, ito ay tinatanggal mo na. You are removing the blockages because mas namumutawi or mas matimbang sa'yo ngayon yung pangarap mo. Let's say, gusto mong maging content creator kaso nahihiya ka. So, ano ba yung mas malakas? Yung hiya mo o yung pangarap mo na gusto mong maging content creator at makilala, 'di ba? So, kung mas matimbang yung gusto mong makilala ka, magkaroon ka ng sariling mong platform, you will be famous, or magkaroon ka ng community, then kakapalan mo yung mukha mo, 'di ba? Hindi ka na mahihiya. Oo. Your opportunity is the Five of Cups. Meron ka opportunity na ayusin yung bagay na sa tingin mo nagkamali ka. Kasi alam mo na meron ka pang magagawa. Five of Cups, losses. Pero opportunity to sa'yo. So, I see a blessing in disguise. Na akala mo, na-miss out mo yung opportunity na yon, hindi pala. Kasi hindi talaga para sa'yo yon. And merong something better para sa'yo. Your blessing is the Ace of Swords. So, this is the something better, a new beginning, a new idea, a creative idea, your eureka moment. So, some of you, may good news na parating. Like what I mentioned kanina, parang, let's say, nag-apply ka sa abroad and then may good news, may darating na balita na, okay, approve ka na, yung visa mo, or examination, tapos, na pumasa ka doon sa exam. So, merong magandang news na darating. Tingnan natin in what area of life. 12th house. This is about something that is hidden sa'yo. So, pwede tong unexpected, pwede tong related sa creative talents and skills mo. I think you will be exploring your subconscious. Medyo malalim yun, ano? Yung tipong, can be a spiritual awakening for some of you. Na marirealize mo kung ano talaga yung iyong talento, yung skill set mo, what your destiny is, your purpose, your life's purpose. Sa money, you have the 5 of Pentacles. Some of you may struggle sa finances, no? Pwedeng merong financial needs within the family. Kaya medyo magiging imbalance yung pasok ng pera sa'yo. Ang importante dyan, aware ka kung saan napupunta yung pera mo para at least magkakaroon ka ng adjustments na, ito medyo sumusobra na pala yung gastos ko, so hinay-hinay muna. And then, so, sa career, you have the Elder of Wands. Sa career, I think you will go to places. Marami ka pang may explore sa career path mo. This can be a business para sa iba sa inyo. Pwedeng online business or can be related sa trabaho sa ibang bansa. Kasi may travel opportunities para sa'yo. I'm seeing Middle East. Australia. Ayan. Middle East, tapos sa area ng Australia, yung opportunities. And then, sa health mo naman, you have the 9 of Wands. Masakit ba katawan nyo? Oo. Maaring meron kayong mga body pains ngayon dahil sa hectic na schedule nyo or you've been doing a lot of things lately na masyadong intense, or kung kayo ay nag-workout, hinay-hinay sa pag-workout kasi baka masobrahan naman na masakit na yung katawan nyo. But I also see someone here na meron siyang dinaramdam sa katawan niya na hindi niya pinapansin. Alam mo yung tipong nararamdaman mo na something is wrong, pero you're just brushing it off na, wala yan. Pero kung ito ay madalas mo nang maramdaman at medyo nakakaabala na sa mobility mo, sa paggalaw mo, kailangan mo nang pa-check ito, okay? And then sa love life, you have Champion of Pentacles. I think if you are in a relationship right now, nandun kayo sa point na gusto mong mag-set ng foundation for your relationship. Gusto nyo na pag-ipunan yung future ninyo together. If you are single, maaring wala pa sa isip mo ang pakikipagrelasyon sa ngayon dahil marami ka pang gustong maabot para sa iyong career, sa iyong family. You want to have a stable income muna. Jack and Diane. Merong heartbreak. May sadness. Some of you, pwedeng you may be cutting off connection sa isang tao na you feel na hindi na siya in alignment sa mga goals mo. Yung parang magkaiba na kayo ng landas na gustong tahakin. Within a few days, yung iba sa inyo maaring lalabas. Pwedeng going out with friends or with your community. Merong happy and exciting event. Bilis nyo mag-move on, Aries. Maaring you are moving on from a situation na inisip mo na mas makakabuti na magkaroon na kayo ng separate ways. Can be friend, can be romantic partner. See, you are evolving. Merong transformation, change. Malaking pagbabago. Fire. You are taking action. Kumbaga for you, gusto mo mabilis, kumbaga fast pace ang lahat. If merong mang sitwasyon or tao sa buhay mo na parang binablock ka, na parang nakakasagabal sa pagbilis ng galaw mo, tatanggalin mo yun eh, or aalis ka sa ganong situation. Stop trying to please everyone. Everyone is a whole lot of people. Protect your energy. Yes, you're going to protect your energy. If you feel na hindi kayo in alignment na, then okay, bye, ganun na. Oo. Focus, yes, you are focused on your goals. If you focus on what you don't want, there's a good chance you might get it. Focus on what you do want instead. Yes, you're going to shift your focus sa mga bagay na gusto mo, hindi sa gusto ng ibang tao para sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.